Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Molly. Today I'm going to be making a fun retro chocolate syrup recipe. You can use either unsweetened baking chocolate or you can use cocoa powder. I'm going to use cocoa powder and it's pretty quick and easy, so let's get started. All right, so we're going to heat the water, sugar, and yeah, that's a lot of sugar, but this is a treat after all, and cocoa powder. Over low heat, get it all out, for about 5 minutes or until it comes together and it's thickened. I might need a whisk. Oh shoot. I'm getting cocoa powder everywhere. If you're using unsweetened baking chocolate, you just want to make sure that you get it to where your chocolate has melted and fully incorporated. So you just want to heat this up until it has thickened and it all comes together. Okay, it's thickened up, so I'm going to add the salt. And I'm just eyeballing the vanilla. A little bit more. And I've also let this cool a little bit. Smells delicious. Okay, let's get this in a mason jar. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to cool a little bit more, and then we'll taste test it.
It's good chocolate milk. Hey Molly, I don't know where this came from, but I found this weird chocolate sauce in the fridge.
Well, Dan, I made that.
What do you mean you made it?
I made it. This is a retro chocolate sauce recipe that I found in this International Harvester Refrigerator Recipes. This book is from 1950.
Wow.
Not just a country song. So let me try it. I haven't tried it yet. Oh, that's good.
It's really good.
That's nice and chocolatey. That's really delicious. So you can make the chocolate sauce with either cocoa powder, which is what I have here, or you can make it with unsweetened baking chocolate, which is what I have here. I did it both ways. Now, the baking chocolate, honestly, I'd recommend you do it with the cocoa powder rather than do it with the baking chocolate. They both taste really good. The problem is that the baking chocolate is really grainy, so it's not going to have a smooth appearance. It's going to have flecks of chocolate in it. It didn't look very appetizing, although it did taste fantastic. So my vote goes for the cocoa powder because it tastes fantastic as well and gives you that classic chocolate milk appearance, which, you know, is important to some people.
Yeah, it's a really cool, really quick recipe you can do with your kids.
Yeah.
Something fun.
Rather than buying the chocolate syrup, it's on my finger, that, you know, from the grocery store that's loaded with, you know, God knows what. Just make it at home. It's easy. It's just a couple of ingredients that most people have in their pantry, and it's just really simple and easy. And why not? Why not just make it yourself?
Yep.
You know? How did I know that you would find this in the fridge?
Well, I thought it was some kind, I don't know, something you made. And it tasted like chocolate, so I just thought to myself, chocolate milk.
Yep. Yeah, I don't think, you could probably put this over ice cream too. This is a little bit thinner than that one. So you could probably put it over ice cream. It's not going to be like a thick fudge sauce. But I think definitely it's definitely more suited to drinks.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what the recipe even says, suited to milk drinks. I'm like, okay, just say chocolate milk. So there you go. chocolate milk from a retro recipe. Pretty fun. So if you guys like this recipe and you want to see other retro recipes like this chocolate sauce, then please subscribe and hit the like button. I upload new content every Wednesdays and Fridays, and Dan and I are always here taste testing vintage recipes.
And having fun.
That was frightening. Well, I hope to see you guys in the next video.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.